Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to set up this Wick Pure Air Freshener. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to kind of grab this top. It's a little tricky, but you got to turn this and it kind of comes down. Now there is a AA battery in here that we're going to be using. Let's get the aerosol can, so take the cap off. Be careful, that's where the stuff comes out. So you're going to look down here and there's kind of an opening for that. That's going to point towards that opening right there. So kind of put it in. Got to kind of guide it in. Okay, so it still sticks out quite a bit. It's not going to go in really far. Now this can be tricky. You got to kind of, this goes on there a little tight, but you're going to start with those 3 lines kind of just to the left of those 3 lines. Kind of push it on a little bit. Now you got to push up and then turn till it snaps. Those 3 lines will be lined up. Okay, so get the AA battery. This is on a hinge kind of like thing. Put the AA battery in here. There's a picture. Left is negative, right is positive. Now, it's in the off position. It's got 3 positions, low, medium, and high. Now in the low position, it's gonna have a puff of air freshener every 40 minutes. In the medium position, every 18 minutes. In the high position, every 9 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in the high position. Now be careful, it will puff out some fresh air there. It's got a delay on it, so it doesn't do it right away, but eventually it will. Okay, so there it did it. Now let's put the lid on, snap that on. Now we can put this in the bathroom or wherever you would like. Now there is no manual operation for it, so you just got to wait for it to do its thing when it's on a time delay. Now you can hang this on the wall, that you can put a little nail or screw in the wall, hang this on the wall. Let's see how tall it is. Almost 7.5 inches. Width-wise, you're looking at about 3. Okay, so let's see if we can catch when that puff of mist comes out. See how far it comes out. Okay, so there I tried to catch it. So it's gonna, a little motor, it's gonna move that down and let the aerosol out. Now it does say it has 140 days of freshness, but that's because each can puts out 70 days. So it comes with 2 cans. Now this will run 24/7, but it will either do every 9 minutes, 18 minutes, or 40 minutes. And you can turn it all the way off. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.